Hey, run that shit up, Chase.
I see a whole lot of niggas follow the ghost. Whole lot of niggas follow the ghost rider. See a whole lot of niggas follow the ghost rider, but the ghost rider never follow my whole lot of niggas following new father for the whole lot of niggas thought of my own father told me go ahead and go, father, so I'm gone, father, I face my own problem, they don't leave me alone, father. I see a whole lot of niggas follow the ghost rider, but the ghost rider never follow my whole lot of niggas following new father for the whole lot of niggas thought of my own father told me go ahead and go, father, so I'm gone, father, I face my own problem, they don't leave me alone, father. Hey, I'm speaking like guapa, guapa, you know I'm proper, nigga, know I'm speaking Guapanese, my ear shopper, and you ain't come with nail chopper, you ain't never shoot chopper, please, I won't knock it, and I come with my own Glocker, if I'm in the club, I'm throwing threes, I move hotter, so hotter, flow hotter, know I'm hot like it's 400 degrees, I'm more than paid, bitch, I'm blessing like 40 ways, I be rich in like 40 days, and 40 nights, bitch, I'm ballin' no court in sight, ain't no watching no sport night, so what he say, live every day like my B-day, I goes right on the freeway, ain't no way but the three-way, triple B in the leeway, man, they know how we play. See a whole lot of niggas follow the ghost rider, but the ghost rider never follow my whole lot of niggas following new father for the whole lot of niggas thought of my own father told me go ahead and go, father, so I'm gone, father, I face my own problem, they don't leave me alone, father. I see a whole lot of niggas follow the ghost rider, but the ghost rider never follow my whole lot of niggas following new father for the whole lot of niggas thought of my own father told me go ahead and go, father, so I'm gone, father, I face my own problem, they don't leave me alone, father. Hey, I'm rolling sticky, icky, got bitches with me in my dick, they licky. Most aren't really frisky, some pretty, but they know I'm picky. My palm itching, but I won't get my palm written, cause I think the devil trying to give me a bomb with me, and it's hitting from long distance. Please don't try to tell me that it's risky. You know I'm really about to check, you know I'm gone, bitch, it ain't your business where I'm at. You know I'm down for respect, if I say I'm done, then you better know I'm really dead. Your mama told you watch your lip, fuck a tip, baby, get up over here and strip. I come a game and I'm equipped, no hands, bitch, I'm ghost riding. I see a whole lot of niggas follow the ghost rider, but the ghost rider never follow my whole lot of niggas following new father for the whole lot of niggas thought of my own father told me go ahead and go, father, so I'm gone, father, I face my own problem, they don't leave me alone, father. I see a whole lot of niggas follow the ghost rider, but the ghost rider never follow my whole lot of niggas following new father for the whole lot of niggas thought of my own father told me go ahead and go, father, so I'm gone, father, I face my own problem, they don't leave me alone, father. Hey,
them hoes say that nigga cold as hell. Fuck what the punk's talking about, I wanna get up with that big ball of big. Plus niggas feeling what I'm on as well. Plus got my mind in the zone. The one that's rockin' fresh pelly pale, sweet tooth to shine on his bone. Somebody beating up the block and fresh by the rims. If it's me, hell, you can tell by the design on the chrome. Crying on the phone, whole thinking I'm in love with her, cause she took me shopping and had me trying on cologne. So I left her on the line with the tone. Got up with this other bitch, bought no weed, cause she fine up her own. So hurry with the Philly bitch, I'm really sick, off for some illy shit. Here go with rusty razor blade, but still a split. And fill it with the killer shit, so I can really trip. It's like the bug was tailor-made from Millie Clips and Max 10. I lift the beef in the back end, straight to the chest, and it got me sprung. My lungs started collapsing. Shit, nigga, what's happening? The sass got me tripping off the drums, the guns ready for action. That can swing on either upper thing. Try to be tough for bang, scuff and hang, suffer pain up the range. They use a bogus motherfucker, man. Since the bitch struck a bang, I'm too strange for motherfuckers to compete with. I'm on some infrared heat shit with a deep click, with I eat sleep shit. But if it's a freak bitch, she can suck a sweet dick till she seasick. Blacking niggas up like an E-fish. With smoking endeavors, put your hands together like you know the host. Cause ain't no nigga that can resist the words from the twist, leaving niggas comatose from my overdose. Put the fuel on it, take a pull on it. Me overdosing on weed and sending all y'all off into a thing. Kill off all in the meats while making cheese, catch you up in no knees and snatch your fees. Now that I'm a finish game. Fuel on it, pull on it. Me overdosing on weed and sending all y'all off into a thing. Kill off all in the meats while making cheese, catch you up that's so they can hang. Can you figure out the cause and effect? Niggas coming on your set, thugs coming out they draws with a tag. Victim bleeding from the neck, shirts is getting wet, shorties yelling threat. Looking for the one who called for the deck. Now they end out the hole in the spot, hitting stomachs, leaving niggas pinched up, bodies balled in the knot. Bullet holes in the wall from a Glock, searching for the one who called in the shots, hypes crawling for rocks going on in the socks of the recently deceased. From what was released from the chrome beast to the dome piece, bitches in my mind being increased by envy for some grief. But when I cheat for some strong lead, I'm stopping hard enough to make a nigga try to check his own cheek. Violate him and can't annihilate him, picking up his own teeth in the zone with the microphone deep. Stimulate him with pistols, penetrate him, nerves still jumping cause adrenaline pumping is a motherfucker. Hit him with the steel blood suckers, murdered by bud lovers, making sure every one of you hoes done suckers. And I bullshit you not, if it was full clips, 2 glocks, you would still die or you'll get too high. Cause when my fuel kick you dry, hype is stricken, no you tell me where he at, bitch, and you'll get too rock. Cause when my tool click you pop, can this hype nigga stop? Shit, I'm hazardous. Making musical miracles like I'm Jesus of Nazareth, yet disastrous. Smoking on halves and hash, fuck up it's cancerous. Bust ass simply because I mastered this. It's hard to breathe, I'm busting like an A-bomb cause I'm in the zone. 22 with cold shit up my sleeve, it's hard to stay calm, thinking about the bitches that I'm finna bone. Hitting my enemies in competition up with lethal blows is damaging. Blows is cannons and we're leaving thick ladies frantic and people in the industry panicking. I thought we got in this to get out of pistol handling. Now it's possible motherfuckers can start vanishing. Fuck a Anderson,